Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? So I know you guys haven't seen me for a while, so welcome to the channel, guys. Right now I'm in Portmore on the newest commercial development, the Ongway Shopping Mall. So stay tuned. Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. Right now I'm standing on the Ongway Shopping Mall in Portmore, the newest commercial development in Portmore. So this mall has 4 floors and easily over 100 shops. Over 100 shops. They have a rooftop entertainment area as well. Some tenants are already in, but stay tuned for more. Alright guys, so I'm on the newest commercial development, the Ongway Shopping Mall. So this community is the Silverstone community. Very nice community and very centrally located as well. A lot of development is close to this community. Over there we have the Sovereign Village, Scotiabank around there, NCB. Then you have a next mall, Sunshine Outlet Mall, and another one down the road as well. So this area in Portmore is being developed very rapidly. You have Price Mart close by, Fontana Pharmacy just opened, and Starbucks as well. And now this new plaza, 4 floors, over 100 shops, rooftop area for probably a restaurant or bar. You have Ibex call center beside it. This is the 3rd building. Building 1 and 2 is finished. So very central location, guys. So for most of the videos you won't hear me talking because of the noise and for music, copyright music. So I'll allow you guys to just hear some of the natural audio. So you guys stay tuned. But I like this plaza, I like how it looks. It feels expensive as well. It gives a little expensive feel. Even the lights at night, the lights really look nice. I'll put in a night clip for you guys somewhere close to here so you guys can see the lights at night as well. Oh, it's nice. The design of the plaza is straightforward, but the feel and the quality of the finish looks expensive. The lights look expensive. Even this railing looks expensive. So mega plaza, very big, very huge, very long. And as I said, lots of shops still empty. Probably it's over 100 shops. And I'm sure they have different sizes as well. And they'll have different tenants. Some persons already moved in. But I'm sure when over here is fully running, over here will be jam-packed. They are finished for Christmas. So I know even this Christmas over here will be busy just the same. So again guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned while we do a quick walkthrough this new plaza Ongway Shopping Mall. So stay tuned guys.
8,500. Pressure cooker, 18,000. You know the thing, the microwave, 23,000. Electrical juicer, 3 fan, toaster, 7,500. You know the thing, them have Alcatel phone, 22,000. Them have Samsung Galaxy tablet, 27,500. You know the thing, them have Galaxy phone, 23,000. Them have Panasonic TV from 16,500 to 32,500. Samsung Galaxy TV, 85,000. Check it. 6,500. You know them have that thing. Man thing, woman thing, blender, sport, everything. Check it.
Department store in Portmore. Everything under one roof. From trendy clothing to customized phones and televisions and even cooling fans for holidays. We make the perfect gift. Our incredible gift sets will show you what's sweet and more. Join us on the 16th of December 2023 from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. with Leon Man and Shandy T and the Power Man outside Broadcast team live on location for an extraordinary outside broadcast experience of film on beautiful prices and the latest
Alright guys, so the Angway shopping mall at night. The camera doesn't do any justice. It really looks pretty. I like the lights. And I like how the plaza look at night as well. You guys can let me know what you think in the comments. You know, very big mall. 1, 2, 3, 4 floors. Over 100 shops. So this is another addition to the rapid development in this area. Over here we have Portmore Pines Total gas station, Scotiabank down the road, then CB down the road, then Sovereign Village down the road, Sunshine Outlet Mall, then 2 other shopping center down the road as well, Silverbrook Community over there, and then you have this new mall over here. And then beside the new mall you have a BPO facility with three story BPO buildings, so that's like over probably 4,000 call center workers right there. And then you come around this side. Alright, so around this side now you have Price Mart, you have Portmore Municipal Building, you have the police station, now you have Fontana, Courts, Starbucks, Radio Shack, and this building is very new. This Starbucks is probably not even 2 weeks old, so a lot of place open for the Christmas. Right now in Starbucks is full. Not sure if you guys can see it. Nowadays Starbucks crowd is bigger than even KFC. Very popular in Jamaica now, and Starbucks has a lot of fans in Jamaica right now. Alright guys, so again, like, comment, let me know what you think about this area, Portmore Pines. I like this area of Portmore. Tell me what you think about this new plaza as well.